Welcome to the visual message. Today, we are focusing on effective visuals. Now, what does effective mean? We'll let you be the judge. Let's look at two presentations on a new environmentally friendly car. Which one do you think is more effective? Good morning.
Morning.
I'm very pleased to have the opportunity to introduce to you the exciting new hybrid car, the Green Machine. Today, I'd like to talk about 3 points. First, futures. Futures. Second, popularity. Popularity. And third, Mark's hair. Mark's hair. Whatever. Okay. This first slide shows 3 main advantages. Well, yeah, there you have it. That certainly says it all. Okay. First, this next slide will show you the popularity of the Green Machine. May, 8,140, June, 8,120, July, 8,880, August, 8,920, September, 9,230, October, 20,912, November, 60,732, December, 70,322. Thank you. And this next slide will show you the the Green Machine market share. Market share. Oh, okay, the Green Machine, manufactured by GNW, the Model H by Cars R Us, the Lemon by Board Motors, Iron Lady Z, manufactured by Heavy Metal Motors, and the Total Pet by the Total Auto Company. In conclusion, remember, if you care about the environment, if you believe in recycling, you'll love the Green Machine. Green Machine is sold on a first-come, first-served basis. Performances based on standard ratings may vary depending on local driving and weather conditions. Thank you for your attention. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm very pleased to have the opportunity to introduce to you the exciting new hybrid car, the Green Machine. Today, I'd like to talk about 3 main points. First, features. Second, popularity. And third, market share. Now let's take a look at my first point, features. Now this next slide will show you that it's an economic car. It averages 51.5 miles per gallon. That's 18% more miles per gallon than the average car. What does this mean? This means you're saving money on gas. Secondly, the Green Machine is an environmentally friendly car. It averages 70% less CO2 output. What does that mean? That means you're helping to stop global warming. Now third, the Green Machine is a quiet car. It's 8 decibels quieter than the average car. What does that mean? You're lowering noise pollution. Now the bottom line is this. It's an economic and environmentally friendly car. Up to now, I've shown you the special features of the Green Machine. But is it popular? Do drivers like the Green Machine? Let's check sales. This next slide shows sales by month. The key points are here. Sales are increasing. Popularity is increasing. What does this mean for the market share? Let's take a look at the next slide. This shows sales by the best-selling cars. This is the Green Machine. As you can see, the environment needs your special help, so be part of the solution. Trade in your old car for the Green Machine today. In conclusion, I'd like to point out that the Green Machine is an economic and environmentally friendly car. It is growing in popularity. And finally, please remember the market share. It needs your help. So, go out and get a Green Machine today. Thank you very much for your attention.
Well, the second presentation was much better. The visual message was much stronger. For your next presentations, remember these 5 simple tips. Tip number 1, keep the background simple. No balloons, no flowers, no mountains. Tip number 2, show keywords, key names, and key numbers on the slides. Even if you mispronounce them or mistake them, the audience will still understand your message. Tip number 3, avoid sentences. Use keywords or images. Reading sentences to the audience will put them to sleep. Your job as a presenter is to explain the keywords or the images on the slides, not just read to the audience. Tip number 4, choose the right slide for the right message. There are many types of graphs. Make sure you pick the best graph or image to communicate your message to the audience. Finally, tip number 5, use a simple conclusion slide. Your job as the presenter is to make sure the audience remembers your message. A simple conclusion slide will help you do that. So, whether you use a computer presentation, a whiteboard, or just poster paper, these tips will help you create more effective visuals in your next Speaking of Speech presentation. Best of luck.